Alright, we're getting close to the opening. Hey, hold this position. Get down. They're in that direction. Yeah, I know. I heard a bird, but I didn't... Yeah, no, we were being shot at. I think it was Oliver shooting us. I know. Just look for movement in that sector. You want to go over there? Alright. I got you. See anything. Anything? Alright, let's move up, okay? Let's spread out too, if we can. Alright. Huh? What?
No point shooting. There's no way we're hitting you. There's too much debris.
Yeah.
Too much debris.
Push it back more, okay.
Wait, we're far from base. If someone gets hit,
Yeah.
someone should move to the right.
Let him waste their ammo. Hey, Hassan, flank right, flank right. Go, go, go. I'll distract, I'll distract.
Go!
Hand that hole, yeah! Ah, shit! What the?
Are you hit?
No, it went right past my head. No, oh god, he's right next to me. Yo, back up, back up.
Right in the face.
Okay, I think you're dead. Just lay down. No! Reenact. Be dead. Oh, shoot. He's shooting at us. We're trapped.
What do we do?
Huh?
We're like baiting the shots.
I know. One of them's flanking left. One of them's flanking our left. Our left.
Okay, just watch the left.
Oh, shoot.
We gotta get a shot out of it.
Here. Hayden, how much ammo do you have? How much ammo?
I still got some there.
Alright, turn it to full auto and just give covering fire, okay?
Okay,
Here, Assad, I'm gonna pull you, stand up, and I'm gonna pretend to grab your arm and pull you, okay? But you walk, you can walk. Get ready. Okay, covering fire, go. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
You hate it.
They left me here. Help! Yes! I don't know what to do. No, no, I'm dead. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure they left. I think Hayden went to go revive Assad, and we have to bring him back to base to do that. On God, I generally think they left me to go revive Assad. Okay. Huh? I'm being so for real. I think I don't know if they came back, but I think they did leave. Hey, can I have my helmet, please? You start. No, don't. What do you? Have you not? Oh man, I've been recording I didn't get the first battle, but I got most of the second battle. All right, thank you very much. I see his gun. I have a plan. Let's move. Okay, so their defense is set up to defend from that direction if we were attacking this way. So if we can go around, we can sneak in. Huh?
Alright, German spotted. I mean, Nazis. Huh? I think they see us. Okay, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but they're right across from us. Here, let me see if I can zoom in on them. Oh, the zoom is not helping. Shit. Oh my god, they're moving in. Yeah, I see them.
I think I found their base. Hold on. Oh, never mind. This is what he was talking about. He was talking about the rocks. Where is this one? Shoot. I don't want to move from... Alright, whatever. This is a nice area. No wonder they set up here. Oh, how'd you get here so quick?
Alright, they're coming in from like over there. I'm gonna move in. I gotta get some footage.
Yeah, but they're over there. They just took over our spot.
Actually?
Yeah, I think they took over our spot. They're coming close.
Actually? Oh shoot, yeah, I see one running. Wait, where's my backpack? It's right there. Uh-huh.
Go quickly. We're going to fly close to this side.
I don't think that's a good idea. There's like no cover over there. I was just there.
Huh?
I think they didn't think they were coming from that side.
Oh, okay. Here, Hayden, go around that way. Let's hold here for a moment until Hayden gets over there.
You see him? Or what?
Yeah, I know. I can tell. Oliver shoots excessively. I see them. Here, if you want, you can run out there. Wait, we're like right next to where I died.
Alright. Yep.
There you go. All right, go for it.
Dude, he's a freaking animal.
All right, go for it. Go.
They don't know we're over here. Oh shit, yes they do. Aris knows, Oliver doesn't. Oliver knows. Shoot. We're sitting ducks. We gotta go rush them. Go. I'm sorry. Go out there. He's right there. Go get him. I'm behind you. Hit! Go. No! Aris, you're dead. I'm sorry, Aris, you're dead. Yeah, I got you. I'm sorry. Help, friend! Help, friend, mehr better! Es tut mir leid, es tut mir leid! Helfen mir bitte! How am I not dead? He's shooting at me. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Are you dead? No. Ah! I can't tell if he's shooting at me or shooting at Hayden. Oh, Oliver, I'm dead, just to let you know. Yeah. Okay, don't shoot at me.